Good morning, student. Namaskaram. Today we are going to discuss one question from 11th physics, chapter name Motion in a Plane. Question: show that the trajectory of an object thrown at certain angle with the horizontal is a parabola. Okay, this is a question. First of all, uh, we have to understand what is that meaning of this question. Okay, so you throw one object, a ball, a stone. Okay, and once again, so that ball uh, goes like a that ball goes like this, yeah, and then it will come to ground and hit the ground at this place, yeah. So in the path of the object is called as trajectory. Certain angle means this is a horizontal. You have to throw that ball with some angle with respect to horizontal. You have to prove that trajectory with an angle theta is a parabola. Okay, this is a question. Parabola means already you know that that like that half of that circle, yeah, that is called as parabola. Okay, so to prove that uh, that path is parabola, we have to uh, prove that equation is like that: a x is ax minus bx square, which is equal to displacement. So this is the equation for parabola. Okay. So suppose one equation becomes like this. That equation belongs to parabola. That path belongs to parabola. Okay. Right. First of all, we will write one diagram which is related to that this question. So this is horizontal. This is origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Ball thrown at here. So it it goes here and comes to this place and hit here. Okay. So from origin to that hit position is called is B. Okay. And in some other position and that object position at A. Okay. So here AB as well as constant. Okay. In this place, the object thrown with some angle with the horizontal. Okay. So suppose at one position, object is represented by the x and y axis. So which is mean x comma y. This is the position of the object at any position along this path. Okay. All right. So let a body be projected with a initial velocity v naught. So v naught means initial velocity of the object at an angle theta. So theta naught. Okay. So at an angle theta. This is the initial angle with the horizontal from the point O. The path of that body is called a trajectory. Already I told you the path of the body is called as trajectory. in this case, that velocity will split into two components because of theta. It will split into two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. So horizontal component, that is initial horizontal component, which is denoted as Vx. Already we know that. So Vx is equal to V naught cos 0 cos theta 0. Okay. And vertical component, which is denoted as Vy, which is also V naught sine theta 0. Yeah. Already we are familiar with that. There are two components. One is horizontal component, another is vertical component. Horizontal component, that is denoted as Vx, which is V naught cos theta naught. V naught means initial velocity. Cos theta means initial angle. Okay. For vertical component, Vy. But so here, this is the vertical component. This is a sorry. This is a horizontal component. This is a vertical component. Okay. So the horizontal component is always constant. The horizontal component always constant throughout the motion of the body. The vertical component only changes in a magnitude and a direction due to gravity. Because already we know that in that case, like motion in a plane, object placed in some other position towards the earth, the horizontal velocity, like suppose object, this is tower. This is grown object thrown not here, thrown from this place. Object goes like this. So this is the horizontal. This is vertical. Horizontal constant, but the vertical change because gravity. So every point that object velocity changes. Direction also changes. Okay, so that's why I am saying that horizontal component only changes, horizontal component only constant, vertical component only changes. Okay, so here let the projectile is at the point p x comma y. P x comma y means point, any point. So let the projectile is at the here after some interval of time. Okay, because at the initial object is here, after some time object goes here. So this is another one position along that motion. Okay, so in this case we split into two steps. One step motion along x direction, another step motion along y direction. For x direction, along x direction, using S is equal to ut plus half at square. Because already we know that equation of motion. In this case, x is a displacement. So in this case, x, because for that x-axis, u means initial velocity, which is we know that v naught cos theta naught, okay, and t plus half at square. So here for horizontal component, velocity does not change. Velocity does not change. Constant velocity. So constant velocity means as less than zero. Yeah. So here 0. So only x is equal to v naught cos theta naught t is there. From that, t is equal to this time goes here. So x by this is the equation number 1 for x direction. For y direction, Y direction means vertical. Yeah. So same equation applies here. That is S is equal to ut plus half at square. S means displacement along y direction. So which is replaced by y. U mean initial velocity along the vertical direction. Already we know that, which is V naught sine theta naught t, because t. And velocity changes along that y direction, that is vertical direction. So A is there. But A is acceleration of that object, which is against the gravity, because gravity like the downwards towards downwards, but object goes along that vertical direction. So which is against the gravitation. That means acceleration due to gravity. So A is replaced by minus G. Okay. Minus means opposite direction. G means acceleration due to, because once object thrown at some other position, it goes first goes like the here, like that. So which is against gravity. Yeah. Okay. So that's why minus of gt square is there. Okay. Correct. Okay. Then next, in this place, that is t. T is replaced by this equation, because already we have a equation for t. So I will put t, that equation, into here and into here. Okay. So that equation now becomes as y v naught sine theta naught t minus half gt square. So v naught sine theta naught t already we have, that is x by v naught cos theta naught minus of g. T square means x by v naught cos theta naught whole square, because t square whole square. Clear? Then next, v naught cancel, because divide. Okay. Sin theta not cos theta not. So sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. So tan theta not into x minus 1 by 2 g x square by p naught square cos square theta not, because the square. Okay. So we can now label that is tan theta as A. We can label as any other uh, symbol. So let us take tan theta is A. And this equation 1 by 2 g x square, x square. So like, okay. So 1 by 2 g by v naught square cos square theta, which is labeled as B, because x changed. So tan theta is a constant value, because theta is constant value. So tan theta constant value, g constant value, initial value is constant value, theta not constant. So I can replace constant value with one symbol or one letter, that is which is A, which is B. But we do not put the constant like x, for because x is changing quantity direction in the x-axis, the distance changes. So x will change. This is a constant time. So y is equal to tan theta naught is replaced by A. and x, and which is replaced by b and x square because x square. Okay. So here a and b are the constants. Already we know that which is constants. So now you can see that y is equal to ax minus bx square. Ax minus bx square, which is the equation for parabola. So this path of the projectile is a parabola. This is the equation for parabola. So in this case, the path of the project, because y means displacement. Okay, so that denotes for the path. So path of the projectile is parabola. Y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is another one 4 mark question. Clear? We will discuss another important question next class. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Vidyashri.